Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we have a Audi TT. So we're actually doing the actual injectors on this car here. So we pulled it apart because the intake, this is the old intake manifold, the flap inside was faulty. And when we took it off, inside here was very dirty as well. Inside there was black, very dirty. So if you look closely now, much cleaner inside there. Inside the valve, have a look inside here as well. We have to clean that. There's a lot of carbon deposit inside there. Even the port for the actual injector, high pressure injector as well, that's done. So this is the new parts. New parts are here already. So this is the new parts. So we've got new fitting kit, which consists of that metal piece there and that metal and that plastic piece here. Comes the new Teflon seal as well. So we're putting this brand. We asked the customer to replace the injector because the car is more than 10 years old, so we don't want to put the old one back on. And then this is the old one, and then they start playing up. So then you got to pull the whole intake manifold out again. So this is the new one. This is the brand new intake manifold. That's the old one, and then we're going to install that now, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.